Oh, they're so terrible. It's not a game. It's not a game!
Hurry up and go!
It's a serious matter.
Right now! Get over there, what are you doing? 3 seconds, get out. Oh my God! You better get this done and get out of here right now!
It's not funny. It is funny. It's funny. It's just not funny when it happened. This is from 2004. This video is from 2004, and this is exactly what happened when I got off the bus. Except it was nighttime. It was pitch black outside. They at least had some daylight. We had blackness. It was dark. I thought I was gonna die. Let's draw this bus.
Oh, she's there.
Okay, well, you saw it. I mean, there's really not much else to say. That's what I went through. That's what this bus means to me. Whenever I see a white bus, or, well, it's called the Bluebird, but anytime I see one of these white buses, that's exactly what I think of. Basic training. I've been on this bus so many times in my career, and it holds a strange sentimental place for me. It's almost like I guess you could say a time capsule in a way. Because in different points I've been on it. Like the first time, of course, like what you saw, which is horrific. It's horrific. At least for me. Maybe it wasn't so bad for the dudes. I don't know. Everybody went through a different experience. But for me, it was horrific. I'd never experienced anything like that before or since. Fortunately, since, every experience I've had on one of these buses has been actually quite pleasant. You know, your typical stuff. You get on the bus, you BS with your friends, you make new ones, you talk, you relax. Sometimes you just sit there in your own thoughts and just breathe for a second. I've been everywhere on this thing. To the Pentagon, details, inaugurations, exercises for all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. They're everywhere. Where there's a military installation, especially a large one, chances are there's going to be one of these things. Nothing too complex. That's what it means to me. It's an important thing to me. It's a stupid bus, but I love it. I love it. Gets emotional. More where this came from in the next video. Talk to you later. To be continued. Same time, same place. I'm lying. I don't know what time the next video will be uploaded, but I'm going to do it as soon as possible. Love you. Thank you for your patience. Bye.